Hi, I'm Tony. For a long time I've talked about starting a YouTube channel and sharing some of my creative projects. Now I'm finally doing it.
So, a little bit about me. I have a lot of hobbies. I draw, I paint, I play guitar, I enjoy woodworking. I like 3D printing, laser cutting, programming, and creating electronics. I do some picture framing. I do home repair projects, home renovation projects, and furniture restoration. I am a child of the 80s, and I am unashamedly nerdy. I also love a snarky t-shirt. So, some of my projects will be small and some larger, including a built in 1900 tiny house that my family is renovating on the eastern shore of Virginia. My goal is to make a record of these projects and share some of the lessons I've learned along the way. I hope you'll come along and see what has been years in the making.